Arsenal keep on wasting that Champions League spot every season. No, Chelsea, we have to go and save England. Chelsea, we have to go and save England. Look at what PSG did this season. When I remember about it, the more I want Chelsea to qualify for Champions League next season. Guys, PSG beat all our brothers. They beat City. They beat Liverpool. They beat Aston Villa. They beat Arsenal. Almighty Arsenal. I'm telling you. So it pains me as a Chelsea English club suffering in the European competition. So I want to go and build them. I want to go and fight for them. I can't wait to see Cucurella stopping Yamal next season. Yes, guys. Another reason why I want Chelsea to qualify for Champions League. I want Cucurella to go and end Yamal career. I want Rhys James and co to go and end Yamal career in the Champions League. Enzo Maresca coming in and we'll see Rhys James in the midfield. Charlie, I will sack Enzo Maresca. Where's my money back? Where's my money back? I forget to bring it for you to see. This bag, you see, that is the money I'm going to use to buy Chelsea. It is in this bag. It is in this bag, guys. You see this bag? The money I'm going to use to buy Chelsea. If Chelsea or if Tobolo Chelsea, Eric Bailly Chelsea failed to qualify Champions League next season, failed to win the Conference League, and failed to give her that experienced striker, I am buying Chelsea. Rich man, I am buying Chelsea. So please prepare. If you want to buy some shares, I'm ready. If I buy Chelsea, start contributing. Chelsea, Chelsea, oh Chelsea, 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 oh Chelsea. Let's go and win the final. The final. Let's go and win the final. The final. The final. Ugarte, Casemiro, Caicedo, 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 better than Casemiro, Casemiro, Ugarte, Caicedo, better than Casemiro, better than Partey, better than Partey, 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 Casemiro, Caicedo, better than Partey. In fact, guys, Forest is dead. Nottingham Forest is dead. Chelsea is coming. We are coming for the 3 points. We are coming to cut all the trees in the forest. Ladies and gentlemen, anybody who is closer to Nuno Espirito or Nuno Espirito, tell him that Chelsea, we are coming for the 3 points. Because, guys, this game is a final for Chelsea. This game is like AFCON final. And this game is like World Cup final or Champions League final. Chelsea, we are coming. Whether raining or shining, Chelsea, we are winning this game. Whether raining or shining, Chelsea, we are grabbing the 3 points. Chelsea, we are playing Champions League football next season. In fact, guys, I call this self-motivational game. In my books, this game is called self-motivational game. Nobody should tell any player what Chelsea will benefit after winning this game. Nobody should tell Enzo Maresca what Chelsea will benefit after winning this game. In fact, I am telling you, whether Chelsea making the signings we need this season, the striker, the experienced midfielders, the experienced centre backs, this game will define our guys. Whether our owners will go into the market and sign us any experienced player, any player that we want, Chelsea making top 4, Chelsea qualifying for Champions League football will define our signing, will define our summer. Guys, winning this game and Chelsea qualifying for Champions League next season, Chelsea stand to benefit these 3 important things. Before I come and do the analysis on this game, Chelsea stand to benefit these 3 important things. Number 1, financial reward. Financial reward. Guys, if Chelsea win this game, Nottingham Forest qualify for Champions League, that means next season, more games for Chelsea. This season, we didn't play Champions League games. So next season, Champions League games will be added to our normal fixtures. More games for Chelsea, more games, more ticket sales. More ticket sales, more money. And the more money, the more power of recruitment you have. When you have the money, you can sign any player in this world. When you have the money, you can go into the market and sign any player, any experienced player that you want to sign. Whether Osimhen, Victor Yogre, Isak, who you want to sign. There is money because you are playing Champions League. And also, players will be willing to come. Those players that we are going to sign because of the Champions League football Chelsea will play, they will be willing to come to accept to join Chelsea because of Champions League football. Guys, if Chelsea win this match and qualify for Champions League next season, well, we stand to gain a lot. Chelsea stand to benefit a lot. So many important things, as I mentioned the first point, financial reward. And this financial reward will bring so many things. Sponsors, yes, whatever. Yes, bonuses from UEFA, bonuses from FIFA. I'm telling you. So for that matter, this season we want to sign players, experienced striker, experienced centre backs, a goalkeeper. When we qualify for Champions League, all these signings will be possible. It can make possible. They'll be willing to come. I'm telling you. So guys, this is the first benefit Chelsea stand to gain or to get when we qualify for Champions League next season. Financial reward to do more signings, to bring in more players, to bring in more experienced players. Yes, guys. And the second thing, Chelsea stand to benefit when we qualify for Champions League. Guys, our players, they will develop a lot playing Champions League football. Our players, they stand to develop a lot, experience new tactics, as we all knew. When it comes to the Premier League football, the ball play in the Premier League is different from the ball play in the Champions League. European non-football is totally different. And these our players so far, guys, 3 seasons, some of them 2 seasons, some of them their first season in Premier League football. So when we come to the Premier League football aspect, we can say they have experience on that a little bit. But when we come to European football, none, zero. Apart from James and who in our squad, whoever experienced quality European night, quality European football. So when Chelsea qualify for Champions League, Caicedo is going to develop more. Cucurella is going to develop more. Cole Palmer is going to develop more. Yes, understanding, yes, the dynamics, yes, the strategies, the techniques, the style of Champions League football. For that matter, it will aid their development. And when these players develop, it means the whole Chelsea is developing. When these players get the experience in playing Champions League football, it means the whole Chelsea as a team is developing when it comes to Champions League football. So the second thing Chelsea stand to benefit when we win this game and qualify for Champions League next season, our players' development when it comes to European football, when it comes to Champions League football. They will learn different style, yes, different techniques, strategies, as I said. When it comes to European nights, in fact, they are going to grow a lot. And so far, last season, Cole Palmer performed. He was rewarded. Yes, new wages or his wages was increased. So imagine a player performing in the Premier League. They increase his wages. Want to talk of European competition like Champions League? Yes, that means next season, if we even qualify for the Champions League, guys, our players, some of them, wages will increase when they perform well in the Champions League. That means our owners are increasing their wages because it's a new policy in Chelsea. This season, information said that they will increase Caicedo wages. Just this season, his marvelous, fantastic performance in the Premier League. So when Chelsea qualify for Champions League, it will help our players a lot. So that is why I said this game is self-motivational game. Nobody should tell nobody anything about this game. The players knows what they will benefit themselves if we win Forest, beat Forest, and qualify for Champions League next season, guys. Yes, guys. And the third thing Chelsea stand to benefit when we beat Forest and qualify for Champions League next season. But before I go to the third thing, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. So please smash the like button, smash the subscription button. Yes, guys. And our podcast is coming with my Chelsea brother Isa. So please turn on the notification bell. When any new video arrives on this channel, you will be the first person to see it. Guys, let's come to our third point. Chelsea stand to benefit when we win or beat Forest. Enzo Maresca as a coach, his tactics is going to improve. Enzo Maresca as a coach, his experience is going to improve. Enzo Maresca as a coach, he stands to benefit a lot. I'm telling you. See, as I mentioned, the Premier League game is totally different from the Champions League game. When you go to Champions League games or European games, it is so slow, particularly the Champions League. And Champions League night is about tactics. I'm telling you, when you come to Champions League football, forget about giddy. Yes, you have to show the giddy and so, but tactics matters more. Tactics matters more in Champions League football, guys. So for that matter, Enzo Maresca is going to learn a lot. Enzo Maresca is going to develop a lot as a manager. Yes, he ever been there when he was assistant for Pep. And at that time, he was assistant. But official being a head coach in a certain team, big team like Chelsea, Enzo Maresca never managed a Champions League team as a coach, as a manager. But this season, if Chelsea will qualify for the Champions League, Enzo Maresca stand to benefit this as a coach, managing or ever coach in the Champions League football or Champions League or Champions League tournament. So guys, our manager is going to benefit a lot, and his experience, as we all saw it this season, inexperience in some games, team selection, substitution, he's going to learn a lot. And if Enzo Maresca learn as a Chelsea boss, it means indirectly it is coming to Chelsea. Indirectly, the whole team is going to improve because you now have a manager who experience or who knows how the dynamics of Champions League football goes, how it works in Champions League tournament. So guys, these are the three important things Chelsea stand to benefit when Chelsea beat Forest and qualify for Champions League next season. So that is why I said this game is self-motivational game. Nobody or no player should wait for a manager to tell him, go and do well, go and perform, go and play for the patch. So today I'm not here to give in-depth analysis about this game because every player should go into this game and play for his friends. Play for his friends and family. Play for his team, for his teammates. And in short, in conclusion, play for Chelsea fans. Play for we the fans. I can't see Arsenal playing Champions League as a Chelsea fan. And my Chelsea is not playing Champions League. Arsenal keep on wasting that Champions League spot every season. No, Chelsea, we have to go and save England. Chelsea, we have to go and save England. Look at what PSG did this season. When I remember about it, the more I want Chelsea to qualify for Champions League next season. Guys, PSG beat all our brothers. They beat City. They beat Liverpool. They beat Aston Villa. They beat Arsenal. Almighty Arsenal. I'm telling you. So it pains me as a Chelsea English club suffering in the European competition. So I want to go and build them. I want to go and fight for them. I can't wait to see Cucurella stopping Yamal next season. Yes, guys. Another reason why I want Chelsea to qualify for Champions League. I want Cucurella to go and end Yamal career. I want Rhys James and co to go and end Yamal career in the Champions League. Yes! Because this guy, this season, he showed it. He brought out his name in the Champions League. And he was lucky. Unfortunately, Cucurella wasn't there. James wasn't there. If they don't believe what I'm saying, they should go and ask Vinicius. Prime Vinicius. The Vinicius everybody knows at that time. James stopped him. Yes, James used some just few seconds in the pitch and just pocketed him. I'm telling you. So guys, see, Chelsea must qualify for Champions League next season, no matter how the situation. I'm telling you. So this game, our players should not be too much tactical on this game. Yes, the game will start with tactics. They must play with tactics, what the manager instructs them. But in case they get the space to shoot, they should shoot the ball. This game, they are going to defend with their life because they know that if they also win, they are qualifying for Champions League over the years. The first time they will also get Champions League football. So Forest will defend with their life, guys. They will defend with bodies. I mean numbers. So for that matter, our players should not be that possessive way of playing football too much or being slow on the ball. Immediately they get the ball or get the space, they should release the ball. Shoot. You see they are 18 years ball. They are going to overchalk Nottingham Forest. They know that, as I said, if they also win, they are playing Champions League. So they will not come open, especially their home. This game will be, see, all the 10 games that will play, this game will be the most crucial, important one. This game will look like a final. This game will look like a final. This game will be a final. So our players, they should not try to pass till they get the space. For me, I watch them a lot this season. They won't give you the space. Forest, they won't. Go and watch their game against Liverpool. The second round, I think yes, even the first round, they defended very, very well. Salah could not get the chance. Salah was missing chances here and there because they made it uncomfortable, difficult for Salah because they knew that Salah is one of Liverpool's dangerous players. And this game, the same thing. Cole Palmer, they will make it difficult. Our wingers, they will make it difficult. Want to talk of our striker. Want to talk of our, so for that matter, we should shoot from distance. If getting the space, well, because they are playing counter. Yes, they are wingers, they are sharp, they are fast. Yes, Manchester United, Old Boy, and Odoi and Co. They are very good on counter attacks. So Cucurella and Co. They should be mindful of the fullbacks and even our defenders. And this game, my fear is that Enzo Maresca. Another fear, I'm telling you. Maybe Enzo Maresca may overthink because sometimes these inexperienced managers, that is how they do. In terms of pressure, they can't withstand it. They will come out with that overthinking. Play players out of position. We saw it with Amorim, their baby coach. Yes, he overthink or overthought. He overthought or whatever, overthink. Yes, and play players out of position. He didn't start some players, some of his important players. So that is my fear. Enzo Maresca overthinking. Enzo Maresca coming in and we'll see Reece James in the midfield. Charlie, I will sack Enzo Maresca. Where's my money back? Where's my money back? I forget to bring it for you to see. This bag, you see, that is the money I'm going to use to buy Chelsea. It is in this bag. It is in this bag, guys. You see this bag? The money I'm going to use to buy Chelsea. If Chelsea or if Todd Bowley Chelsea, Eric Bailly Chelsea failed to qualify Champions League next season, failed to win the Conference League, and failed to give her that experienced striker, I am buying Chelsea. Rich man, I am buying Chelsea. So please prepare. If you want to buy some shares, I'm ready. If I buy Chelsea, start contributing your money. Yes, I'm coming. So guys, for me, this is how I see this game. Our players should not be more focused on the tactical aspect of football. No. They should be pragmatic, or pragmatic as the English people call it. Guys, yes, they should not be that focused. Yes, any space that they get, they should make good use of it. So guys, this is my analysis on this game and my score prediction. I will say Chelsea 2, Forest 1, or Forest 1, Chelsea 2. This game will be a difficult game, intense game, because it is their home, final game. If they win, they are playing Champions League. If we win, we are playing Champions League. By the way, guys, before we end this video, I'm still reminding you that if Chelsea doesn't qualify for Champions League, doesn't win the Conference League, and don't go and get an experienced striker, I'm buying Chelsea. I'm giving 3 conditions. Please don't forget, if this thing happen, if I don't buy Chelsea, come for me. Come for me. Call me a liar. Call me a liar. I'm buying Chelsea. I'm not joking. But let's hope Chelsea will qualify for Champions League. Let's hope Chelsea will win the Conference League. Because in my books, if Chelsea win the Conference League, qualify for Champions League, Chelsea had a better season more than Arsenal and Man City and Real Madrid. Take care. Peace.